Usercentrics is a privacy consent management platform, meaning we help companies to collect, manage, and document the consent of their users in a GDPR-compliant way, but also in a way that the opt-in rate is maximized.
Do identity management tools not do this now?
Not in the way that we do it. So we focus on being the single source of truth for all user preferences across the data architecture. So the main use case right now is to implement us on the website or in an app. And there we can deactivate and activate cookies, plugins, and all sorts of data collection activities. And the user interacts with us on the spot without us knowing who the user actually is. Because on some websites, for example, you have no login. But if there's a login area, we just connect to the user ID that the company gives us. So we're neutral, basically.
Was that sort of, where did the idea for the business come from? Is that GDPR related?
Totally. 100% GDPR related. I previously worked in a compliance department at Scalable Capital, and there we had to implement GDPR, so that's how I got into the privacy space. And my co-founder previously founded Intelliad, which is a tracking tool, so he came basically from the other side, and we could combine those expertise, and yeah.
All right, that's super interesting. When you think about which markets are sort of the target market that you want to attack first, what seems to be the one where you have the most traction already?
So right now we're the market leader in Germany. We have large customers like...
Is there a particular industry though that's using you, or is this
No,
across the board?
Can be anything. We have Commerzbank, we have Porsche, we have T-Mobile. So really both advertisers and publishers need it, both big companies and small companies. The software starts at €9 per month, goes up to 20K per month, depending on the number of users you have. And one other key market is definitely now the rest of Europe for us, but we're also expanding in the US because there the California Consumer Privacy Act is coming into effect in January, and our solution is now ready out of the box. And there we have a unique opportunity to leverage our experience from GDPR and also be the market leader or have a market leading position in the US.
Well, I'll look forward to assigning that pitch on your eventual launch in the US to someone else. But I appreciate the time today, and thank you so much for stopping by to chat about the company. It's great. Cheers.